Hi, my name's Dr. Tyler Foster, physical therapist. I'm a coach with Rhode Island Lacrosse, running injury prevention program. I hope to see you there. Hi, my name's Tyler Foster. I'm a physical therapist. I've been a physical therapist for almost 10 years now. I primarily work with muscle injuries, injuries of the bone. I'll help patients get back to daily function, athletes get back into sports, and I have a range of working with kids, adults, older adults. I'm currently a student at the University of Rhode Island, finishing my PhD, working on some research in the meantime. I love working with kids. They're usually the most fun patients to have in the clinic. Kids have one primary objective usually, and I've seen it in the clinic. They just want to have fun. Kids can gather a lot just from interacting with each other. So if you can put them in a game environment, you're achieving that. But even in participation in these activities, kids gain strength. Kids increase their flexibility, whether they know it or not. They start to build these things, and that will help prevent against injuries, both during activity and probably in the future. Having fun and the emotional component to the social component of sports, but also cognitively, there's been research that higher activity levels in kids, they're cognitively developing better and they're better problem solvers. So there's bigger advantages beyond just physical when it comes to activity and sports. Whether it's coaching in a sport or a treatment session, the coolest thing is for a kid to come back to a session when they're like, hey, can we try that thing again? Or they've clearly been trying that thing again, when kids have taken that into their own hands. That's probably the coolest moment, both as a clinician and as a coach. During the spring clinic on week 4, which is draw day, I will also be adding a component of injury prevention, which will include some exercises for the kids to participate in, just to make sure that we're keeping all the participants and athletes safe throughout their time there, and then other sports going forward. I'll also be an educational reference for parents if they feel like they want to bounce questions off of me to ask about things they could do to make sure they can keep the injuries away from kids going forward. I'm Dr. Tyler Foster, physical therapist and one of the coaches for Rhode Island Lacrosse. Can't wait to see you guys at the clinic.